caught, guys, in the middle of my bonus. Betting $1.76, caught me $144 with all these doggies. Let's see what else. Hopefully I get a retrigger. Can I get 100 times my bet? That'd be so nice. Oh boy. Oh, almost 100 times my bet. Beautiful, guys. Good times, baby. Look what I caught right here, guys. 5 symbol bonus. On dancing drums, betting $1.76. A 10. Such a beautiful feeling catching a 5 symbol bonus on dancing drums. Now I just need something spectacular, a coin show, something, retrigger. Flowers. Doggies? Oh, 3 more pictures. Chips? Ooh. $96. Got a coin show. That's what I like to see. So pretty. And last spin of the day. Not too bad, guys. It's actually beautiful. Over 100 times my bet. I ain't gonna lie, Kansas Crossing's my little secret weapon, so I can play here, and after here, I'm gonna go straight to the Highlands and play my favorite VGT at my favorite casino. Beautiful, baby. Good times. Alrighty, guys, we are playing the Hot Red Ruby, playing that 50-cent D now. $100 in. I'm gonna bet $5 all the way through and see what happens. Hopefully we can catch something spectacular, like right now. Okay, a little something. Just my money back. A little something. Actually, it shorted me $1, so I didn't even get my money back. Something, please. No. Oh man, that would have been nice. Something, please. Gotta do it. Didn't even want to go red, but look at that bingo card. Okay. Alright, a little something. Since it rings, do it again. Just cherries. Mixed bars. Oh, even better. Face mixed bars. I like that. Just need a red screen. One red screen. I don't know what's going to give it to me. Oh man, either here or right there. Would have been nice. Okay. Ugly card. Something. No? No? Alright. Alright, Paul. How about now? No? Look how pretty the card is up there, man. Something pretty, please. I even say pretty, please. Yeah. Ruby doesn't like me today, guys. And I totally lied. Look at that off the bat. Like 80 something bucks. Should have went red though. Look how good the bingo card was, but I'll take it. Got me a nice little cushion to keep on playing. I really thought it was, I'm not gonna say nothing. I just needed to keep on going for a little bit longer. I'm not trying to jinx the moment. Come on, Red Ruby. I need a red screen. Or any rings. I'll take those any day. Why couldn't you go red, bro? Now went red. So far as eyes. Pirate stripe. And the pirate stripe again. That's weird. Okay. Look at that. Halfway to our double up. Come on, Ruby. Ooh, here? Is it here? No. Oh, man. Come on. No. I might jump on this Mr. Moneybags right next door, right here. I'll sink it down to 100. If nothing happens, we'll go to Mr. Moneybags. Something about you, Ruby. Kind of fishy. Yeah, you're doing some fishy stuff right now. 2 more pushes, so I'm gonna rotate. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna rotate. Oh, you gonna jump this machine?
Huh?
You jumping on this machine?
What?
All right, never mind. My brother's jumping on it, so I guess I'm forced to play this machine. Now, I told myself I'm going. If nothing really happens, I was gonna jump onto that. But oh well. Guess I'm stuck with you, Ruby. Keep on going. Something, come on. You didn't want to go red, for real. Come on, do it right here. No? Didn't even want to go red. The bingo card's so pretty up there. Jeez. Come on, baby. You gotta give me one more red screen. Something really worth looking at.
Oh, I didn't know I was pushing 15.
Man, baller. I'm only doing $5 a bet.
I meant to push 10.
I ain't gonna lie, if I was winning, I would ante up my bet. Jeez. Can't do nothing. 4 more pushes, guys. Yeah. You hurt my feelings, Ruby. And the final push of the day. Mixed bars. Alrighty, guys. We are playing the Lucky Ducky Electric Wild. $100 in on the quarter machine. I'm going to hit the max bet. See what happens, baby. Gotta do something different today. Ooh. Nice, but where's my red screen though? Ooh, something please. Stupid. Please something. Man, look at that bingo card. See that? Nothing. Oh yeah, max bet is 450, 18 quarters, so yeah, we got it. You didn't know? Now you know. Come on. What? You're supposed to be right here too. Even though the bingo card's not there, but you're supposed to do it for me anyways, just because. Wow, guys. I think the first spin was the only good one that I had, and the rest of it's just going to be pretty much trash the rest of the way down. I'm hoping I'm wrong, but... Okay. Caught the lucky sevens. Ooh, I mean, that's nice. What? We got 25 bucks. I wish it would have been red, though. Sometimes you just gotta talk a little crap to it. Maybe we'll cooperate. Not all the time. Ooh, something please. Ooh, yeah, baby. So far got the open D. Corners. That's it? Man, are you kidding me? Look at that card. But that's all you can offer me. Alright. Keep on going for a little bit, guys. Hopefully something. Come on, got it. Oh, never mind. Sevens came to ruin the whole fun. Ooh, got the T. And the hopscotch. Back to almost to my 100. Ooh, do it again. Never mind. Ooh, how about now? Come on, there's something spectacular happened, Lucky Duck. You're lucky I chose you to play you instead of the one-liner version, so come on, bro. You gotta give me something worth bragging about. Okay, 25 bucks for an X pattern. Okay. Ooh, please, something. Why you didn't go red, bro? Got the poster stamps. But that's all I wanted to do. Didn't want to go red. Oh, come on, ducky. Gotta do something for me, bro. Ooh. Alright. Okay, so far I got the small diamond. Hopscotch, and that's it. Why is doing this two-hitter quitter stuff, bro? Come on. I ain't gonna lie, if this machine at least paid me $150, it's worth running away. Come on. Should have went red, bro. But I'll take it. Ooh, something. Never mind. $2 left. And I swear, Lucky Duck, you give me $100 back, bro, I'll be happy to leave. Ooh, something. Stupid sevens, bro. Look at that card. Oh. Always that silly sevens ruin the moment, bro. Every single time. Alrighty guys, we are playing the Pieces of 8. $100 in, see what happens. Let's see if it likes us today. Card was nice. Let's do a little rotation bet, guys. Trying to get the feel of this machine. Go red. Okay, cop 15 credits. Stay. Could have gave me a peace sign out there, but yeah, nice little red screen. Okay. Bet $1 real quick. Go $2. Come on. Do it right here. Oh, alright, well, I mean, caught something. That's cool. Okay. As long as you're paying, I'm happy. It's when you don't pay me, I feel sad. Go red. Yeah. Got $2 real quick. Again. Got $2 real quick. Go red. I'm not really feeling this machine. But that's the feel I need. Not feeling it, so maybe something happens. A little reverse psychology. Let me do the $2 real quick. Bet $1. That would have been cool if that happened. I've seen people win on betting $1, man. It's crazy. Forgive me, guys, for betting randomly on here. Go red. How about? Come on. Ooh, caught the cross. I was really thinking of small little hits or something, but hey, take whatever. Take whatever. Come on. Give me this awkward feeling so you can give me more money. Right here. Go red. All right, we caught 15 credits. I wish there was more to it, but anything works. Come on, do one more cool surprise. Just one more cool surprise. I ain't gonna lie, guys, I'm gonna take a little profit, so if either I'm gonna get it up to 200, over 200, or I'm gonna stop at 150. You know, give or take. Do something. 15. All right. Do it again. One more time. Oh man, you should have went red. It could have gave me eyes for that 15, and bam, we would have been in the clear. Guess it doesn't like me to go reach 200, so I'm gonna go with simply 150. Come on. Ah, man, didn't want to land on the line.
We'd like to congratulate Edward for being our latest hot seat winner of the afternoon, winning $50.
You hear me, pieces of 8? I'm going to walk, bro. You don't give me my 200, I'm going to stop at 150. 12, all right. Come on. Get that 15. Right here. Do it. Go red. There you go. Now I got my 15 and we're good. Or there's more? Oh, we got more, baby. Come on. All right, 30. Woo! See, guys, sometimes you just got to talk a little crap to it, switch up your bets from time to time, and maybe it listens. Look at that, 250. I think that's a good stopping point, unless it pays out again. Alrighty. Look, guys, I'm already happy. Well, actually, screw it. We'll go to either 300 or 250. Just for you guys, let's maximize it. Go red. See, I'm betting on 2, then it gives me 10 credits. Yep. Sometimes that's just how the slots operate. You just gotta rotate your bets. Do it again. Oh, that was too high of a number to even do anything. Bet $2 real quick. See if there's any life left. No? All right, yeah, I'm good with that 250, guys. I don't care. Something's better than nothing. Come on, give me more though. No? All right, there you guys go. $100 in, $250 out. Thank you so much, pieces of 8. Good times, baby.